Hi guys, are you a digital marketer and you specialize in email marketing, or you're an affiliate marketer and you want a lot of audience to run after your content so that they can also click your affiliate links? You need to know how to create or grow your email listing. This is how to grow your email listing. I'm sharing with you three proven methods to grow your email listing. Number one, Number one is to throw out freebies. You need to give something free for people to give you their email listing. Don't forget that they must actually be able to get value from you before they can give you their emails. Now, if you give out a link, you can give out an information. You can give out a book, a free ebook. You can give out a product. Maybe you subsidize the product and you give out a product, but you must give something. And then after that, you then request for their email so that you can deliver the product to them in their email. So you can use freebies to grow your email list. Number two, you can use FOMO method. FOMO method means fear of missing out. This fear of missing out means that if you have a group of people you have been delivering content to, and you have something juicy you want to let them know, you can tell them to drop their emails so that they don't miss out of that information, of that package you want for them. Let's say, for example, you're a business owner, and then in your next new product delivery, you want to add a special gift for them, and then you now tell them only those that have their emails to be notified when that product is available. So they have this fear of missing out psychology that will allow them to give you their emails, and then you grow your email list from there. Number three, which is also a very good strategy, is what we call first to know strategy. This first to know strategy means that you're meeting a cold traffic. You're meeting a cold audience. They don't know about you before, they don't know your product before, and then you just want them to know about something. So you want them to be the first to know. More or less, that you are giving them a preferential treatment that okay, this thing is coming up. I want to be the first to know, first to benefit out of this discount, for example. First to benefit out of this discount, first to get the best of this training or something like that. Now, and then you ask them to enter in their emails and then they give you their emails. Another method you can use to grow your email listing is to get email listing from your friends or followers on your WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter or all other handles. If you want to know more about email marketing, click the link in the description below and I will see you on the other side.